Hello and welcome to Chinballs Gaming, I am Scorp. So for you Windows users on the Steam Deck, Valve have finally made it easier to use the Steam Deck UI in Windows. There's still a few things you need to do to set this up, especially if you want this to open on startup, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So in the standard Steam UI, simply come to Steam Settings, and here in Account where it says Beta Participation, click the Change button, and in the drop down select Steam Beta Update, and click OK, and then OK again, and then close Steam and restart. So Steam will update while it's restarting to bring in the new changes, but if you did launch Steam, it will just be the exact same Steam that we all know. There doesn't seem to be a UI way to do this yet, so we're going to have to create a shortcut ourselves. So to do that, simply right click on the desktop, click the New button, then click Shortcut, and then we're going to need to find Steam, so click Browse, and then come to this PC, C drive, Program Files x64, and then scroll down, expand the Steam folder and find Steam exe. Now before you click next, what we need to type in here is simply dash and then Gamepad UI. And now click next, give it a name, something like Steam Deck UI, something like this, anything you wish, and then click enter. So the icon will now change to the Steam icon, and if you double click this, you will launch into this nice shiny Steam Deck UI. And compared to the workaround method that some of us have been using for the last few months, this actually does open in full screen, which is very nice. Now that is a way to get that working by clicking an icon, but if you were to restart your deck, then you will notice that you will boot back up into the just normal Windows, into normal Steam. So I'm going to show you how I've been launched into the Steam Deck UI for the last few months, and it still seems to work. So you're going to need to come into Steam, and then come to Settings and Interface, and rather counterintuitively, you need to click off Run Steam when my computer starts. So uncheck that box and click OK. And now on your desktop, open a File Explorer, and in the address bar, type in shell, and startup. Now this is your Windows user startup folder, and anything we add in here will launch on startup for that particular user. So we are going to drag that shortcut into this folder, and that is it basically. And now we're going to restart Windows, and it should all work magically. And there you go, logging straight into the Steam Deck UI on the Windows PC without having to click anything, without having to deal with Windows desktop on the tiny screen, all done. And just to prove that we are still on Windows, I'll just quickly press the menu button. As you can see, there we are, that's the Windows menu bar. Finally, the nice Deck UI experience on Windows. That's it from me, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.